Hey, Gambino, it's time to check the weather. It's gonna rain later. You know what that means? Nobody out. Perfect time to walk. It's time for a walk.
The asshole took my skateboard. And the guy from the video? What are they doing here? I don't got my katana power, so it looks like I gotta sneak it.
Alright, man, you got the wheels?
Yeah, man, I just got them the other day.
Oh, damn. Let's get this rolling there.
Alright, bro. The fuck did it go? Alright, I got you.
No, them the wrong wheels.
What you mean?
Bruh.
You said you wanted something to ride on. I got you.
No, I was talking about blades, bruh. The roller blades. Like the skates, G.
Why ain't you tell me?
Bruh, I said it nice and clear. Bro, you see me on these all day long and then your ass decided to get a skateboard.
Bro. I even got you this one. Just in case. You ain't tell me which one. Damn, bro. Someone's out there. What the fuck? Bro, we gonna have to move. Man. Bro, let me go beat his ass real quick. Let me out.
Hey, no, man, you ain't gotta beat his ass or nothing.
Bro, what's he doing?
Hey, man, you just tweaking, you know.
I wonder what they're doing here. I mean, the cops are here. Are they making some kind of deal? Is this some kind of skateboarding crime syndicate? I hope they didn't see me. Oh, fuck. They definitely saw me.
But anyway, I'm about to go get the minced onion. Diced onion. Everybody likes some on the burger.
skateboard.
No.
Yes,
Why are you following us?
to bring you to justice.
What?
Just give me back my skateboard.
Are you gonna fight me for it?
No,
Yeah.
I'll give that skateboard back one day.
Shaw.
You're really trying this. I'm sorry.
As I walk away in defeat, I see the one glimmer of hope. That is the rain, the clouds, the dreary day. For it's not today, nor the next day, nor the next war, nor the next battle I shall get this skateboard, but I shall get my skateboard. What about my skateboard? Don't want to be that guy, but, remember to subscribe, comment, like or dislike, given your tastes, and just interact,
Look at them moves! Look at that!
Even though I tripped like 3 times.
Saucy!
My fucking feet hurt!